In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create arrows on Squarespace. Whether you're highlighting a call to action, drawing attention to key content, or just adding a decorative touch, custom arrows in Squarespace can do the job beautifully, without needing any code. First, go to the Squarespace website. Once there, click the Login or go to the dashboard. Click the Edit button to enter edit mode. This is where we'll build our arrow design. To begin, click Add Block, then choose Shape. This is the first step in learning how to make custom arrows on Squarespace. From the Shape menu, click the Edit icon and select Square. This will be the body of your arrow. Resize the square to your liking. You can stretch it horizontally to make a long arrow shaft. Keep in mind the proportions. It should balance well with the arrowhead you'll add next. Now let's create the arrowhead. Click Add Block again, choose Shape. And this time, select the diamond shape from the drop-down. This diamond will serve as the tip of the arrow. Just like before, resize the diamond so it fits nicely with the square shape. Rotate or reposition it if needed. You're now using Squarespace shapes to create arrows that fit your style. Once your shapes are aligned and visually balanced, click Save. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create arrow shapes on Squarespace without using any external icons or code. This technique is great for adding directional icons that guide visitors through your site, enhancing navigation with visual cues, drawing attention to buttons or forms, creating stylized section breaks or content highlights. Because Squarespace doesn't have built-in arrow icons, this DIY method using shapes is perfect for creative freedom and custom design. Feel free to experiment with colors, sizes, and layouts to match your site's branding. If needed, you can always delete and retry. Squarespace's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy.